This is a simple look into the daily routine of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, based on authentic Islamic sources. Morning. The Prophet, peace be upon him, would wake up before dawn. He would brush his teeth with a miswak, make wudu, ablution, and offer tahajjud, night prayer. At Fajr time, he would pray in congregation at the masjid. After Fajr, he would sit and remember Allah, often until sunrise. Mid-morning. He would sometimes take a short nap, kailula. He engaged with his family, helped with household chores, and showed affection and care. Around mid-morning, he would offer the duha prayer. Midday, he would attend to the needs of the community, meeting visitors, answering questions, solving disputes, or going out for charity or other responsibilities. At duhur, he would pray at the masjid. Then he may rest briefly at home or continue community work. Afternoon. At Asr, he would again pray in congregation. He would then meet with companions, teach them, or spend time with his family. Sometimes he would go for walks or visit others. Evening. At Maghrib, he would lead the prayer. Then he would share a simple meal, often dates and water, with his family or companions. After Isha prayer, he would talk briefly and then go to bed early. Night. He would sleep for part of the night, often on his right side. In the last part of the night, he would wake for tahajjud, pray, make dua, and prepare for the next day.